day 3 of the maze game, and we're going to work on some programming. So, first step, click on slide 1 on the left side of the screen. I'm already there, but maybe you were on the winner slide. Go to slide 1. Okay. Right click on the Start Word Art and select Hyperlink from the shortcut menu. So we right click on that guy. Then I have Hyperlink. I've noticed in some of the newer versions of PowerPoint it just says link. But you can just click on it. And then we need to go to a place in this document right here. And then we're going to choose slide 2 because once slide 1 comes up, we want to click on Start and have it take us to slide 2. Then we're going to do the same thing for the rectangle. So I click on the rectangle, right click, hyperlink, and we're going to go slide 2. Great. So those are linked up. Okay, so now I'm going to push the slideshow button so we can see what happens with this. Slideshow. So if you click on Start, that takes us to slide 2. And we haven't programmed slide 2 with anything yet, but that's okay. End slideshow. A couple options for all of you. If you don't like that the words look different, you could create a transparent rectangle above it that is your link instead. Also, some people like having a different word on the second slide. So maybe instead of saying start, we say go. And let's see what that'll look like. We run the slideshow. So we click on start. Oh, and then it says go, and we know we're supposed to follow the maze path. You could leave start on both slides if you want. Sometimes a little bit of differentiation helps us understand what's going on with the programming. Okay. So let's go over to slide 2. I'm on it, but slide 2. And we need to add a link to the red background. Now we don't want to do this on slide 1, only on slide 2. We're going to go to Insert, Action, and mouse over. So that means if anyone touches the red on slide 2, we will send them to somewhere else. And in this case, I'm going to go to my Please Try Again slide. So we're going to go down to Slide, and then number 4 is my Please Try Again. I'm going to click OK. OK. Now again, let's see what that does with the programming. So we click on Start. We're on slide 2 now. If we go into the red, it takes us to Please Try Again. Perfect. That's exactly how it should be. Now we're going to go back to slide 2. Notice we got the carrots down at the bottom. We want the carrots to take us to our winner slide. So we're going to do that same thing. Insert, Action, mouse over. And then the carrots, we want to actually go to the winning slide. So we go down to slide, and slide 3 is the winner slide for me. Okay, that's great. Click OK. Let's run this real quick. So we click on Start. If we follow our path real careful, as soon as we get to the carrots, it should just automatically take us to the winner slide. I didn't have to click anything, I just touched it and we got to the winner slide. That's great. And that is where instructions end for day 3. So we're going to leave it at that. You have done some basic programming on your game. If you want to try right now, you could try programming the restart and the quit. See if you can figure out what to do there. Again, I would probably use the insert and action buttons. They would probably get you to the right spots. But you probably want to click on restart and click on quit. You don't want it to be a mouse over in that case. So try that out, see what you can do.